Derrick and I talked, I don't know, probably 6 months ago. It might have even been longer than that. I mean, it's sort of COVID time, so it's hard to remember exactly when we talked. And found out we are from the same sort of hometown area in the Concord
Yes.
area. So that was cool. And I've been hoping that Derrick will get a chance to pitch here ever since we first met. So he's got Krisspi Technologies, which is an Uber-like company that connects clients with vetted and licensed service providers who travel to their locations to provide hair care. So as you can tell by Derrick's first slide. So Derrick, whenever you're ready, take it away. Can't wait to hear more about it.
Awesome. Thank you, Jeff. And then thank you, everyone. And Jeff, actually good to put a face with the name. We've been talking for a while. But thank you, everyone, for your time, for an opportunity to present Krisspi. My name, again, is Derrick Butler. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Krisspi Technologies. My actually founding story started in Vegas, back 3 years ago when I was traveling to attend a wedding. And I wind up checking into the MGM Grand and finding no solution there, and winding up having to leave the hotel and find a solution. And I wound up going to the wedding, not looking my best. And I knew right then and there that my expertise in technology and my expertise also in hair care, as my mom was a barber, gave me the idea that I could solve the solution for everyone. So thank you for giving me the opportunity to present Krisspi, the premier Uber for haircuts marketplace. So the problem is, as I just mentioned, when people are traveling, and if you're a busy professional, and even if you have difficulties physically to get to a barber or hair salon, there really is a unique challenge in the marketplace. Some people have time constraints, physical challenges, and even the availability of service. I think everyone is now accustomed to the DoorDashes of the world, the Ubers of the world, and even other services like that, where they can get demand all times of day and even on the weekend. And so that is the real challenge, is that the technology is there, but no one's been able to put it all together in one place and allow people to have the service and allow them to get it directly to them. And so that's kind of where we come in. We're an application-based company. We've got an app in the marketplace right now. It is built on incredible technology that allows a consumer, no matter where you are, to get a provider, we call a hairstylist or a barbershop provider, to come directly to you to provide service. And that is same day, 7 days a week, to your location, all based on the app technology. Our technology is state of the art. We have 2 apps right now in the marketplace. One is the Google Play, the other is the App Store. And as you can see from the screen, the app allows you to see exactly who's in the marketplace. You can see the rating, you can see what they do and what everyone has said about them and where they're actually located. And then one thing that we've just added is the badges, where you can look through reviews, see if that person is background checked, and also if they're vaccinated, because that becomes something that's becomes more and more important as people are deciding who's going to provide service to them. And the other great feature that we are very proud of is that our technology is AI powered. What that means is that our technology is learning as you continue to book your appointments. You can notice when the best time that you're booking, and also who you're booking. So it'll be able to suggest that person again when that person is available. Look at your future events, and then products. One of the things that we know that there's an opportunity on is, if our providers are using certain products and consumers like them, why not give them the ability to pay for them at the time of service or for future service? So products is a huge thing that we'll be adding to the app as we are redoing the app right now. And I think that will be an incredible revenue stream for us. So the hair care industry in all is a really growing service for consumers at $34 billion in the US alone, and growing at a clip of 6% per year. We believe that the SAM, or serviceable addressable market, is 800 million for us, and then the serviceable obtainable market right now is 100 million. So when we go to market, we learned so much from our initial launch that we've got it down to what it cost us to acquire a customer, what it costs to get us a download in the App Store and the Google Store. So right now, on average, it costs us about $3 for an app install. And then we've got a 4% paying user rate and a 10% churn rate. And then we use all different streams and channels of social media and ad marketing, but the bulk of the marketing that we do is inside of the app stores. And that way we can really control and learn and get KPIs based on downloads, which is really one of the major KPIs that we're looking at. And then overall, when you look at the total and all the channels that we use, we've got an $85 CAC, which we believe can be optimized over time as we continue to scale and grow in the marketplace. So how do we make money? So our business model is a rev share. So our average haircut is $49. And what that means is 60% or $29.40 would go to the provider plus 100% of the tip. And then we have a community partner. And in our case, and people get asked, what could a community partner be? Well, it's a hotel, it's a barbershop, it's a beauty school, and it's an association. All those places that we build partnerships around in order to allow us to advertise and market to those particular people that are either in the hotel or at the association. We could then spend money and market with them and promote them and get them to install. We then share some of the revenue with those community partners. In this case, is 10%. So what that leaves us is a healthy 30% take rate that we believe is profitable and also scalable. So there is competition in the marketplace. One of the things that we all know is that when you're in a market, there's market competition if you're in a really good industry. So in our case, we've got Shortcut, Style Bee, and Glam Squad probably being the most well known. But when you look at what they do and kind of what they concentrate on, they're really consumer focused or more hotel event wedding focused. But what we have here is an opportunity to be a well-rounded company that can attack not just the hotels, but also corporate clients and consumers, especially consumers that can't physically get to a location. We believe that our moat is built on accessibility. So when you can go from San Francisco to Las Vegas or Miami or Chicago, having to use one app where you can connect to the providers, know how to use it, then we have the opportunity to really build our business. So it's accessibility. Once we are as accessible as Uber, any place that a person goes, then we will be able to build a strong moat nationally. And I think that will truly give us the edge over the competition. So the Krisspi executive team is well-rounded and has extreme experience, both on the marketing, sales, app side. Again, my name is Derrick Butler. I got my executive MBA from St. Mary's. I come with multiple years, over 15 years of enterprise sales and management experience. I am a third generational entrepreneur. Mario Goins is my co-founder and CTO. He's got his master's in computer science from UC Davis, with past roles at NASA, Gilead, and Bank of the West. He actually did his fellowship at Stanford University. And then there's Kina Guyton, who is our Senior VP of Marketing. She's got her MBA from Duke. She spent over 10 years doing exactly consumer beauty marketing and really knows how to key in to get those consumers to take action. Tim Sandwich, our Senior VP of Operations, and Kevin Bird, which are VP of Business Development, who has really already hit the ground running by signing the first national membership that we've got on board, and we're about to launch that, and we're super excited about that. They've got about 100,000 members, and so we've already got that contract signed, and we're about to promote that in California. So what have we done so far in regards to scale? For us, we launched back in May. Sorry about that. of 2020. And at that time, we had just launched the MVP in the marketplace. And we've actually, were surprised because we set a goal of 100 appointments, and we actually blew right through that goal. We were actually onboarded 1,200 clients. We onboarded 150 providers. We completed 400 appointments and actually generated over $40,000 in revenue. At that time, we knew that we were on to something. And so at that time, and blowing to that initial goal, we decided to partner with Kiwi Tech, which is our app dev equity partner. And what we did was went ahead and built that 2.0 scaled app that is going to allow us to get everything that we wanted in the app. Again, that was originally just an MVP, but now we've got an incredible app that's about to come to the market. Now it'll be done. The first week of July, we're super excited. And then what we're going to do is going to relaunch in the Bay Area and Sacramento. We've set a goal of 1,000 appointments based on our learnings from our initial launch. And then comes expansion, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, San Diego. And then February of 2022, we've got beauty products in the app, Krisspi Pay rewards, and expansion to 30 or more cities.
30 seconds.
Now, when it comes to our financials, that 1,000 companies is going to give us over $1 million the first year. As you can see, the EBITDA the total OpEx is about double the revenue, but then we plan on getting to over 87 million in 5 years. And so right now we're raising our round. We're doing it in 2 phases. 2.4 million is what we're looking for. First phase 1.2 million, the other 1.2 million. We believe that's going to give us a great runway for 24 months. And then the majority of the money is in marketing and in people. And that is all about Krisspi. I look forward to working with you, and I'm hoping that you all can get Krisspi. Thank you.